Hi Pisces, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies from 8th of April to the 14th of April and see what's coming to you in this time period. In your environment at this time is the King of Pentacles. So this is a very stable energy. This is, attractive energy. In terms of practical things in life, you could be feeling very stable, you could be attracting good monetary or business situations at this time, you could be feeling self-reliant, or you could be having a supporter in your life or a partner who is very stable and who is like a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy in your life. And this reading is for the Pisces important placement signs like sun, moon, and rising sign of Pisces, the collective of Pisces. So you are attracting wealth, you are attracting a very stable person, you are attracting a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or a period of stability in your situation. You are in a very important, very deep situation at this time with the high priestess, which is your energy, and the death energy. So high priestess energy and the death energy tells us that uh, you you have made improvements in your life and you have reached a transitional phase and you are moving into a renewal or maturity. And how you have reached this energy, you are also marveling at it. So the maturity of a situation is taking place, whether it's a situation or whether you yourself from within, you are changing as a person, and you will be marveling at how independent you have become, how easily you are taking action, how easily you are moving away from the energies of temptations or energies that lower your being. So basically, you will be in a very good transitional period in your life, which is making you turn into a new leaf, or keeping you on your toes, making you active, making you take decisions which are bold. So you have changed in the past many months or years, and that the culmination of this is happening now with the Queen of Cups energy and Knight of Wands energy. You could be dealing with a new transition in the sense that you are taking new action with your heart and soul. You could be moving towards a love or a lover. You could be moving towards a passion in your life. It could be a hobby, it could be a new place in your life. You could be moving there, you could be going on short trips, journeys, or a long trip, I don't know, but you are moving towards actively taking part in situations. And the magician energy is showing that you could be in a very good manifestation period. You are manifesting a new start in your life, a new initiation, new association, marriage for some of you, partnership for some of you, new love for some of you. And this is happening because you have decided to get out of two of swords and the devil energy. So two of swords was inactivity, two of swords was ego, two of swords was having a stubborn battle with someone. With the devil card, something that lowered you in your as a being and also in your life. So you are getting out of that. So you were in a bored situation, you were in a definitely in a situation which was not giving you enough in your life, and you were very worried about a situation which was causing you anxiety. But with this anxiety card, what has come as clarification is the moon reversed and the king of swords. So the moon reversed first, let me tell you about this. So this is a very good card, and this is telling us that the self doubt energy, the anxiety energy, the energies that kept you from moving ahead and kept you in uncertainty and darkness, that is going to end in this time period, and with a very intellectual energy and with a vocal energy, you are going to communicate, you are going to make your point, you are going to appear as a very smart and direct person in this time period. And that shadowy energy, which you are in most of the time, Pisces, in a very dreamy situation that is changing, and it is going to start a new phase in your life, a renewal with the Two of Cups. Most probably in your love life, you are going to enjoy a conversations with someone very direct and very, very clear. And this could be deeper, this could be a soulmate relationship, which is getting better and better, or starting in a starting phase. A new situation is looking very, very soulful at this time. So underlying energy is that you were in some kind of sadness, worry, you have taken yourself out of that, you are departing from that situation. Many of you are taking a travel in this week. With the Three of Wands, you are going to expect your ships to come in, you are expecting to make a move, you are expecting to go somewhere, to move to another direction, to meet with people, to take action. So with the Three of Wands, expectation is very high at this time when I am doing this reading. And with the Nine of Cups, you are going to have some wish fulfillment, individual liberation, breakage from toxicity and difficulties in life. Mainly, you will break away from secrecy, break away from shadows, you will break away from such things in life. And your only problem is that you could be feeling a bit challenged at this time, and you could be the sorrows of the past still make your life difficult. And with the moon as your outcome, so the moon comes once again, once it is in the reverse. So the reverse moon tells me that you will definitely get out of it, but you will have to take action. The moon is the overall energy of this week, so the shadows will finally be over. The moon is never a wrong situation. Moon is about, it creates certain kind of shadow in our life. We start thinking, rethinking, weighing our option, sometimes getting scared, sometimes moving towards some illusions. But actually, moon will guide you. Moon will never take you to the wrong path. You will get out of your situations. But the only thing that you require to do is to take some time out, get the correct insights with the Hermit, and the changes will come in. The rebirth will happen with the death. So Hermit and the death tells me that hesitation will be there, a little bit of hesitation, but finally one thing will be very, very clear to you, something will be revealed to you. It could be a bit painful, but ultimately you will be having a beneficial period of a new start. So you can expect some concern in this week, but expectation could be very high. With the marriage card, new association, a reunion, or a marriage could be on the cards, or a marriage situation is going to be on your mind. There is a false person around you, or a false situation which is going to be clear with a message that is coming to you. So you are going to be in a good situation. I have not taken out the I'll take out one Angels of Abundance guidance. So I always read out a guidance for you. I will read out one for you. So there are two cards here. One is deservingness. So this is for you, Pisces. You are a beloved child of God like everyone else, and you deserve to receive the support that will allow you to focus upon your divine life purpose. Even if you can't yet recognize your lovable qualities, trust that God and the angels can see how amazing you truly are. So, the deservingness card, and the other one is clearing debts. So, your self care involves removing the heavy burden of financial and emotional debts from your life. You already feel lighter, freer just by facing this topic and making a plan to clear present obligations and avoid future ones as well. So, this is your clearing debts, and deservingness is your situation at this time. So, debts could be monetary, debts could be emotional, but at least you will, in this time period, you will be focusing on some issues like that, and you will be transitioning, and you will also realize how mature you are feeling, Pisces, at this time. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so write to me through the email ID, and keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you. Bye bye.